everybody gonna be quiet. You feel me?
We knew you was nervous, girl. We tried to support you. Now everybody wanted to act normal all of a sudden.
No, I don't wanna collab. No, unless I hit you up.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bold myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary, stuff make you want round me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no static with you, you know you my thug. And I can't shake this tab enough. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscing, every I'm missing you, wishing, living is what it was. I've been down, baby, lost in the lion past, lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby.
Hey friends, so I'm sitting here manifesting. Literally, I am. I'm preparing myself to be in the energy of getting a new laptop. I could make this longer than it needs to be, so I'm not going to. Basically, I have way too many devices. I have the MacBook Air. It's the M1, so it's not super old. I have a MacBook Pro, a iPad Pro, and then I have the M1 Mac Mini that requires you to attach it to a screen. And honestly, at the end of the day, the reason I have so many different devices is because I've been trying to avoid getting what I really want because of the $2,000 starting price. And old Denasiha would be like, oh, I can't afford that, I should just stick to what I have, blah 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 blah. Healed Denasiha says there's always a way, so I'm showing the universe that I'm ready, and I'm going online and pricing trade-in. What's going on? It's Friday. My brain is like, ugh. But I'm going online right now and pricing my trade-ins for my laptop and my desktop, and then using that to go towards the computer that I've wanted, that I want. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Basically what I'm doing is looking online just to get the trade-in values of the devices that I have to go towards the one that I actually want. I'm keeping my iPad, that's an essential, but I do not need a Mac Mini and a MacBook Air. And the Air doesn't have enough space on it for what I need, and it's powerful enough. I'm not really concerned about that, but I'm condensing down, simplifying, and getting what I actually want. When is this gonna happen? I don't know. I'm just making room for it to happen. I'm gonna hop in the shower, and then I'm going to see what time my friend wants to start on the tattoo stuff. In addition to that, Spirit is working, because I got 2 texts today, like randomly, about like me potentially helping with some things that are both on my like creative side. And I don't speak too soon, but it's just very interesting that out the blue I get 2 opportunities, and I feel like Spirit was like, let me see if she gonna take it or not. Let me see if she gonna count herself out or not. I'm not. I'm down. So I'm really excited for that. Yeah, but I just wanted to check in and say what's up. I know I'm gonna be moving and grooving for the rest of the day once I get moving and grooving, so I don't know how much talking I'll be doing. But I just wanted to chat and maybe set maybe somebody needed to hear that in order for you to call in things or manifest things, I actually don't like that word because of how misused and misunderstood it is, but I know it makes sense to people. So in order for you to manifest the things that you want, you have to, number 1, be ready for them. Number 2, feel that you deserve them. And number 3, make room for them. And so that's what I'm doing for all the things that I want.
Your virgin skin.
And then there's LJ. He was like, I want a tattoo on my ass that says drive-through. LJ! Tuesday. DK. And I was like, you're not looking.
I've been on vacation since Tuesday, and I get a text like, hey, so I have a situation. It's a lot to text. Can I call you? And I was like, fuck you. We front it and they reimburse us, yes, but we always say that we can do it, try to protect, blah, blah, blah. So, well, one of my leads has a her, right? Well, so then one of the other managers is the one that takes
No,
Right? But it doesn't make sense because you're still because you're still paying for the streaming service.
All that I know it was inside me. They recognize you. Please don't deny me.
And then everybody's he's like, I'm like, come on. Okay, so where do you like rate in this little? This is gonna be fun.
You guys gonna be fun?
Yeah, you're gonna have to stand up. Because when you stand, your skin, you know, you don't want it. You want it to look good when you're standing, not when you're just sitting. Just do this SpongeBob leg.
Oh, no, I didn't! Damn, it's great!
Now everybody gonna be quiet. Y'all feel me?
We knew you was nervous, girl. We tried to support you. Now everybody wanted to act normal all of a sudden. Anyway, so when I was 5,
Because I was like, that was just, I'm like, it's gonna kill the vibes.
because that, I mean, Yoshi was the one that had to tell me that he was like, you need to like stop doing shit that you don't want to do, like being around people that you don't fucking want to be around. Because I remember like,
Because like, to most people, it comes so easy to just like stop and think, be like, actually, let me think about it. My initial instinct is always to be like, yes, whatever, you know?
I feel that.
Shit in my head all the time. No, that's me.
You try to like balance it out where if a girl, you would just speak your mind, then you would be balanced out.
That's it.
And there's a way to say things and not be a bitch, but like still be honest
Yes.
about how you feel.
Yeah. And that's what I'm trying to work on. Because like, I just automatically assume like I'm being rude. Just because I'm saying no doesn't mean I'm being rude. Like,
Make room for the people that don't make you feel bad for doing what's comfortable for you.
yes. Exactly.
I was like, oh, just like a little tiny dude. He's just a little tiny
So
dude.
cute. How was it?
Honey.
Good. Okay.
I mean, they
I
always
mean, you were
hurt.
talking through it. I also forgot you were getting tattooed because you were just like,
Yay.
oh, you're so
She
casual.
was like,
I'm a bitch.
Right? She's like, why y'all so quiet now? Keep talking.
I'm like, oh, you want to talk here? Let me talk about myself. I got this.
A little shoo shoo. It's adorable.
So cute.
Look at it go.
Yeah, I like
I
that.
feel like it's a girl.
No, it is. That's why I got it on the left side.
Oh, okay. I was like, I feel like it's a girl. I was like, I think somebody knocked on the door.
That was me.
I know, me too. I guess I was just like, just fucking not ring the doorbell. I was like, yeah.
And then it took a second, and I was like, just about to go knock a second time, and he opened the door like, is somebody here? Like,
What was that?